Hey you guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today I have Pottery Barn dupes for you at last. Stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our next videos. Give us a like, and we'd love to have you subscribe to our newsletter as well over on designlovesdetail.com. So Pottery Barn is one of those places that I kind of feel like everybody loves. They have a really good curated collection. And one thing that a lot of people don't know is that Pottery Barn is actually not a manufacturer. They might do some of their pieces, but I know many of them are actually available through other retailers, which some people aren't aware of that. And usually you can find them, if you do find them elsewhere, you can usually find them for less. I'm gonna give you a couple examples. I'm not just saying this without, proof. The first one is the Pottery Barn Johan, Johane media console. I love this one. I actually shared this with you guys if you watch my Instagram stories. I saw this at a parade home and shared it in my stories. This console, which is also available from Joss in Maine. At Pottery Barn, it is $27.99. And then they have, I think, the flat rate delivery on top of that. But if you get it at Joss in Maine, it's the Conwell 80-inch TV stand, and it is $23.70, and it includes free shipping. So, I mean, just right there, that is a, what is that, $400 savings? It is literally the exact same product, and you can save like $400. And what's nice too is that there are some reviews and pictures on the Joss in Maine site for that one. Because Pottery Barn doesn't have on their website, as far as I've seen, reviews, which sometimes can be a little bit of a detriment. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love Pottery Barn. They have some really great stuff. And some of it I haven't found other places. So maybe they do create some of their own. I can look into that. If you have insider info, leave it in a comment and we would love to know. But I have shopped from Pottery Barn, and I do, but it's just that sometimes you can get the stuff for less. Here's another example of it being, I believe the exact same product. The Bruno white rattan baskets with lids, set of 2. These are another favorite of mine that I found, years ago at Design Market, and then they've become more available online. So Pottery Barn now has them, and they are really awesome baskets. They're really large. They're bigger than they look. They're a good size, almost like a hamper, but you can use them for like blanket storage in a living room or something. So it's $3.29 for the set of 2 there. And then over on Wayfair, literally the exact same basket set as far as I can see, and it's $189. So literally from $329 to $189 for the same baskets, free shipping. You can see these have 4.9 stars on reviews because they're amazing. Yeah, so it's pretty tough not to want that savings, right? Now into the actual dupes. Actually, this first one is so similar, I have also wondered if it's the exact same product, but nonetheless, we'll call it a dupe. Pottery Barn has the Sunny hand-woven basket wall art. Of course, these woven wall hangings are really popular, and they're so pretty, kind of a nice way to mix up your typical artwork or mirrors. I love the natural with the little white detail on these too, because it's just really clean and fresh. They are $179 to $379 each. If you buy the full, if you buy the full set, it's $379. For the single one, it's $199. And then over at World Market, they have one that looks seriously so close. This one is, let's see, the World Market one is 19 inches, a little over 19 inches. And Pottery Barn is, the one at World Market is basically a smaller version because it's about 20 inches across instead of the really huge ones at Pottery Barn. However, if you can't afford the $199 for a wall basket, you could probably swing $49 at World Market. So a good dupe, like I said, a little bit different size, which does affect things, but it looks virtually identical. So we have at Pottery Barn the Sunny hand-woven basket wall art for $199, or over at World Market, the white and natural banana bark woven disc wall decor, if you say the full name, and that one is $49.99. A similar thing along those lines, that is a set. They have a set of 3 hand-woven basket wall art at Pottery Barn. These ones are more of the natural and black, if you like those colors better than the white and natural. Really cute set. I love it. It is a little spendy at $399. And then the other set that's kind of similar, a little bit smaller again, but white and gray seagrass woven disc wall decor 3-piece at World Market again. And this one is $59 for the set of 3. So major savings there as well. These are just such a cute way to bring texture into your home too, and they can be cute for above a bed, hallway. I've seen people do really fun ones like in a bigger space, like a living room, where you buy multiple sets and kind of piece them together. So check that out. We've got the Pottery Barn handwoven basketball art set of 3 for $3.99, and then we have the World Market option, again a little bit smaller size, but the white and gray seagrass woven disc wall basket at $59. Big savings again. On to, let's go to some furniture, because the decor is awesome, but furniture pieces are sometimes where you can really get major savings. The Oakley Canopy Bed at Pottery Barn is so pretty. I love this one. It's got really clean lines, modern feel, but then it still has some warmth because it's a kind of a natural warmer wood tone. It's kind of a medium depth. It's not like the light wood, but it's a really pretty tone of wood, it seems. And this one comes in a queen or king size, either $22.99 or just under $2,500 if you're going for the king. So it is, you know, a bit of an investment, but it's so pretty, and it is, you know, it's the solid, looks piece of solid wood and nice quality. If you want something a little bit more affordable that has a similar look, Grandin Road has a bed called the Crawford Convertible Canopy Bed, which is actually kind of cool because it can either have the 4-post and top part, or it can just be like a headboard. You can take the little canopy part off. So, you know, if you ever get tired of that or the trend fades away, seems like canopy beds have been around for a long time. Even like old movies, like castle movies, I feel like they still have. I'm like hiding my finger because I have this injury that shows you how much we've been working over at the flip house. Broken nail. But anyways, at the current time, they are, I think, still a very hot item. And the price on this one is $11.19 for the queen, or $11.99, so just under $1,200 for the king. It's currently 20% off, so keep that in mind that it is on sale right now, which is great. This one has a very similar wood tone. It's not as like thick on the posts and everything, so it is a little bit different look, but I feel like it could give you that similar style if you're wanting to save over $1,000. We've got the Oakley Canopy Bed from Pottery Barn, either $2,300 to $2,500 price point, or in Grandin Road, the around $1,100 to $1,200 price point for the Crawford Convertible Canopy Bed. Moving on. Another favorite product from Pottery Barn that you guys probably might be familiar with is the Ferris ceramic table lamp. This one is such a pretty one. It's kind of got that terracotta look to it. And whenever I share this on Instagram, people go crazy for it. So the Ferris ceramic lamp comes in both an ivory or a matte black, and different. They have different sizes too. There's a smaller, a large size, and I love these. These are kind of the pottery type lamps that are just so popular right now. It is $229 for the small, or if you get the large, it's $299. So definitely an investment. You can save about $100 if you go with this option that I have found from Walmart. These are actually the lamps that I'm using in one of the bedrooms at the flip house. When I shared it and it was on sale last time, it sold out really quick. So I will keep an eye on that for sure, but it's a really good size. It's nice, and it's just a great scale. It's very large. So this one is $199. So it's comparable to that large size of the Pottery Barn one. In fact, I think it's even a little bit larger. And then I love the tapered shade on this one. The Pottery Barn one actually has more of a drum shade, which is pretty, but I love the tapered shade as well. So this is a really good, I feel like, substantial lamp that looks like pottery. Kind of the terracotta is actually what it's made of. I think that will save you a good amount. The Ferris ceramic table lamp at $299 from Pottery Barn, or the Pacific Coast Masa One Light table lamp at Walmart for $199. All right, so pedestal bowls. I love a good pedestal bowl, and Pottery Barn has one of my favorites, and I've actually shared, they used to have, oh, I wish they still had it. I haven't seen it anyways. Over at Home Depot, a version of this. This is the Orion handcrafted terracotta bowl from Pottery Barn, and the large one is my favorite because it's just such a substantial size. And so I had shared one a while ago back on Instagram stories. Like seriously, this was probably a couple years ago because it was when we first moved into our other house, maybe 3 years ago. Anyway, so some of you guys might have gotten it. It's a terracotta planter actually that Home Depot carries every once in a while. So keep an eye out for that because that's literally the best dupe, and you can paint it if you want to match it to this bowl, either the black or the white, because it's $99 at Pottery Barn, this Orion handcrafted terracotta bowl in the large size. I did find one that I think looks good at Kohl's actually. That is a similar look. I'm gonna actually order this one because I'm curious about it. So I will keep you posted. It has 4.1 stars on reviews. I can't remember why somebody didn't love it. What's our 1-star review? We'll look into it. They didn't even leave it words. You know what? If you're gonna leave a 1-star review, you've got to tell me why. It's hard to trust those. It feels like it could have been an accident. Because we've got the 5-star one saying, happy customer, the bowl went perfectly with the stones I purchased to lay in it. Great quality and looks beautiful on my sister's desk. This beautiful bowl to display on table or shelf with decor, or with nothing in it. Yes, see, that gives me some information. Anyways, this one is $22.30 with the coupon code. So that's a really good deal. The code right now is Sunny15. Regular price is $35 on this, but you can get it for $22.30 right now, which is a major savings from that $100 at Pottery Barn. Just a good option. This is basically a dupe for the white one. The Orion handcrafted terracotta bowl for $99 from Pottery Barn, or the Sonoma Goods for Life ceramic bowl at $22.30. All right, another piece of furniture from Pottery Barn that I love. And I've actually ordered this piece in the natural finish. They now have it in the black as well. So it's got the natural cane doors and then the black surrounding part. And then it has that more modern metal leg on it, which is, it just keeps a really clean look. And this is $14.99, the Dolores 72-inch cane console table. Love this one. And the quality is really good. This is actually made by Four Hands, if you guys are familiar with Four Hands. So a lot of different places sell it. One that's a look-alike to this, not the exact one, though you can get the exact one. Other places too. This is the Springville caned door TV stand from Target, from the Threshold and Studio McGee collection. And this one is really similar in my opinion because it has that black frame, still a modern look, and then it has the cane woven doors, still a media console, and this is only $330. So I feel like this is a really good look for less, and it has pretty good reviews too. I felt like you could get a good sense of it in the pictures if you kind of flip through those. It's not quite as long because this one is 60 inches versus the 72. I think that that's still, you know, a really good size and a good look-alike. So you've got the Dolores 72-inch cane console table for $14.99 at Pottery Barn, or the Target Springville cane door TV stand by Threshold and Studio McGee for $330. Definitely a massive savings there. Another lamp, the Cambria rattan table lamp, is so cute. This one's actually on sale at Pottery Barn right now. You can get it in either the, well, actually the whitewash is the one that we're looking at and it's not on sale, so sorry to tell you, but the black one is. The black is really cute too. But the whitewash lamp, it kind of looks like a, yeah, it's like a rattan base, and it's nice and big. It's a really substantial piece. It's $369, so definitely that's a lot to spend on a lamp. Lamps can just get so spendy, and especially since we've seen price increases over the last, really just this year, we've just seen major upticks in costs of home decor and furniture with the increased shipping expenses and freight for companies. They're having to pay that. We're really seeing that across the board. Anyways, I found you a good look for less on this. This is the Jolena rattan table lamp with brass accents, and it looks super similar to me to that natural one. They have the oversized or the petite. The oversized one is $98.99, and I swear it looks so close to the Pottery Barn one. This is another one I really want to order because I think it looks amazing. And I love that really clean drum shade with the base having that texture, and to be under $100 for this size of lamp is just so awesome. And looking at the size, this one, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I almost think this is the exact same one again, but I'm not 100% on that. So we have the Cambria rattan table lamp from Pottery Barn at $369 in that large whitewash color, or we get the Jolena rattan table lamp oversized on Overstock for $98.99. All right, last one. This one is a sofa that's really pretty. I love the lines of this. This is the Jake upholstered sofa with wood base from Pottery Barn. And you know, the quality on this is probably gonna be awesome because Pottery Barn is really good. I will say that they're amazing at vetting the quality of products. So that's one thing that they've really succeeded in, is they don't just sell like a variety of different qualities. They try to keep that consistent across the board. So they're checking their products to make sure, and they always have good customer service as far as I have found as well. Anyway, that's a really good upside of Pottery Barn. And this sofa, the Jake upholstered sofa, is so pretty. It kind of varies on what size and what fabric you select. It comes in 63-inch, 70-inch, 85, and 95-inch. We're gonna look at the 85-inch, and then, yeah, so this one's about $3,028.99. And then this similar looking one I actually found at Walmart, and it is the Mayview upholstered track arm wood base sofa with throw pillows in color oat. So it's kind of a neutral cream tone, but it's only $5.50. And I think it has a really cute, clean look to it if you're wanting something that's not too spendy when it comes to sofas. I'm not sure how this one would clean. It does have pretty decent reviews. It's 4.4 stars. And so it's a little bit mixed, but most of them are 5-star. There's 1 4-star, 1 3-star, 1 2-star, and 1 1-star, but 12 that are 5-star. So, I mean, that seems pretty decent to me for a $550 sofa. Definitely one to consider. And especially, you know, I do say, like, I'm gonna do a video soon on kind of splurge versus save pieces, which ones I usually spend more on or what I feel like is no big deal to save on. So I'll be covering that soon, but just as kind of a little pointer, I do typically like to invest a little bit more in sofas, but at the same time, there are projects where you just don't have the budget for it. You know, even if you want to spend $2,000 on a sofa and you see the value in that, you can't always do that. Definitely that was something that I had to look at with the flip house, just getting something that's affordable, and maybe it's not like gonna last forever, but we wanted something that was really nice for a certain price point. You know, you just kind of had a little cutoff. And so this would be something along those lines where you just need a little more affordable piece, and maybe it's not gonna last you for your whole lifetime, but it could still be pretty darn good. So, Pottery Barn Jake upholstered sofa with wood base, ranging on which fabric you select, around $3,000. And then we have the Walmart option, the Mayview sofa upholstered tracker on wood base sofa with throw pillows. Oat. There's other colors too, but the oat is the one I was looking at, and it is $5.50. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Pottery Barn dupes. Let me know if there's other products from Pottery Barn or other places that you're looking for a lookalike, and you can just leave that in comments. Also, make sure to, well, subscribe and hit that bell, but here's why, and give us a like, because next week we are beginning reveals. So we are gonna have those coming at you back to back with all the exciting new spaces. I love new content. I hope you guys do too. I cannot wait. I've been so excited to get these shared, so be sure to stay tuned for that, and we will see you next time. You can also find me over at Instagram at Design Loves Detail.